Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a rotating Manhattan. I heartily recommend that you already know how to do a rotating half Manhattan and know how to do a standard Manhattan. Assuming you've got those two in your repertoire, then you're going to be ready for this. Just in case you need to go back and look at them, I'll put links to them in the description below so it's nice and quick for you to find them. If you do need to go back and look, the move looks like this. Obviously, how long you do it for is up to you. We're just going to do it long enough so you get a chance to see everything. So go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's basically a Manhattan, but instead of taking steps that go in a straight line, every time you take one of the steps, you get rotation, 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 rotation. So let's break it down. Looks like a standard Manhattan to start with. So we go back, we come in, we turn with the lady and step forwards on the left. Like that rotating half Manhattan, the next step is going to cause rotation to the left. So we come around. But unlike the half Manhattan, we don't then head back that same direction. We carry on and use the other leg. So now guys are stepping back right, ladies are stepping forwards left, and the rotation is to the right. And we go around. Then we undo it and we go back. Now we do the bit that was in the rotating half Manhattan. So we go around and back. Repeat the first one. Around and back. And my advice would be to finish to square straight up with a standard straight step, and then get out of the way to do the prep. You could get out of it in a similar manner that we did in the rotating half Manhattan, but this gives you another option. So we'll do the same thing from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, forward 3, rotating 4, and then we rotate 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, squaring up for 3, out of the way 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7, and back 8. Let's try it together. This is a bit more of an ask than usual, so here we go. 5, 6, rotating Manhattan. We go back, in, forwards, round, rotate and replace, rotate and replace, rotate and replace, squaring up, out of the way, turn the lady and face, return and back. I hope you like that one, hope you find it useful and it works for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. All of that helps the channel and means you don't miss a video. Also music recommendation at the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.